Everyone wants to make money online, but most people fall into scams, fake courses, and get rich quick traps. So today, I'll show you the real ways to make money online even if you're restarting from zero. No nonsense, no hype, just practical options. The fastest real way to earn online is simple: sell a skill. Freelancing means you do work for people online and get paid. Examples: video editing, graphic design, writing, coding, resume making, social media management. At first, you may earn small 500 each yen, but after experience, people earn 5000 plus per month. If you're confused what skill to choose, pick one simple thing: editing, Canva design, or writing. Start today, improve daily. The second powerful way to make money online: content creation, YouTube, Instagram, blogging, podcasts. Attention is currency. At first, nobody watches, but slowly. 100 views, 1000 views, 10,000 views. And then money comes from ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, selling products. Most people quit in 2 weeks. Winners stay for 2 years. Keep quiet and just create. Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend a product, someone buys through your link, you get commission. Example: Amazon products, courses, software, hosting. Hey everyone, ever dreamed of making money online but got lost in a sea of get rich quick schemes? Today, we're cutting through the noise. I'm going to show you 5 real, legitimate ways people are earning a living from their laptops, plus how to spot the scams. No fluff, no false promises, just practical advice that actually works. Let's get started. First up, freelancing. This is probably the fastest way to start earning. Essentially, you're selling a skill you already have. Are you good at writing, graphic design, video editing, or maybe you're a coding wizard? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are marketplaces where businesses are actively looking for people with your talents. The key to success here is building a strong portfolio. Even if you have to do a couple of small, low paying projects at first, think of them as building blocks. Create a professional profile that clearly states what you do and who you help. Showcase your best work. When you're starting, you might be tempted to apply for everything. Don't. Focus on jobs that truly match your skills. A well written, personalized proposal is 1,000 times better than 100 generic copy paste applications. Remember to deliver high quality work and communicate clearly with your clients. Good reviews are your currency on these platforms, and they will help you land bigger, better paying gigs over time. Don't be afraid to specialize. A WordPress security expert can charge a lot more than a general web developer. Find your niche and become the go to person for it. Next, let's talk about content creation. This is the path I'm on, and it's a marathon, not a sprint. Whether it's YouTube, a blog, a podcast, or even a popular social media account, you're building an audience around a topic you're passionate about. The money doesn't come directly from creating the content itself, at least not at first. It comes from monetizing the audience you build. On YouTube, this could be through ad revenue once you meet the partner program requirements. On a blog, it might be through display ads from networks like Google AdSense or MediaVine. For podcasts, it's often sponsorships. The secret here is consistency and value. You need to show up regularly with content that your audience finds entertaining, educational, or inspiring. Choose a niche you genuinely love because you'll be creating content about it for a long, long time. If you love vintage cameras, start a channel about that. If you're an expert at container gardening, start a blog. Your passion will shine through and attract like minded people, and be patient. It can take months or even years to build a substantial audience. But once you do, the income streams can become quite diverse and sustainable. That brings us perfectly to our third method: affiliate marketing. This works hand in hand with content creation, but you can also do it without a huge following. The concept is simple. You promote someone else's product or service, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates is a popular starting point, but almost every major brand has an affiliate program. The ethical way to do this is to only promote products you actually use and believe in. Your audience trusts you, and breaking that trust for a quick buck is a terrible long term strategy. You can integrate affiliate links into your content naturally. For example, if you have a blog about home coffee brewing, you can write a detailed review of your favorite espresso machine and include an affiliate link. If you have a YouTube channel about tech, you can link to the camera and microphone you use in your video descriptions. The key is to be transparent, always disclose that your links are affiliate links. People appreciate honesty and it builds even more trust. This isn't about spamming links everywhere. It's about making genuine recommendations to an audience that values your opinion. Fourth on our list is creating and selling digital products. This is where things get really exciting because your income potential isn't directly tied to your time. You create something once and you can sell it over and over again. What kind of products? Think ebooks, online courses, photo presets, website templates, digital planners, or even stock music. The possibilities are endless. This leverages the expertise you've built. If you've become a trusted voice in your niche through your content, your audience will be eager to learn more from you in a structured way. Let's say you have a popular blog about personal finance for beginners. You could create an in-depth ebook titled The Ultimate Budgeting Guide for Millennials or a mini course on your first steps to investing. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Podia make it incredibly easy to sell these products directly to your audience. The initial creation takes a lot of work, yes, but once it's done, it becomes a source of passive income that can generate revenue for years with minimal ongoing effort, maybe just a few updates here and there. Our fifth real method is starting an online business, like e-commerce or a software as a service, also known as SaaS. This is the most complex path, but it also has the highest potential for scale. With e-commerce, you could use a model like dropshipping, where you sell products online without ever holding inventory yourself. You set up a storefront using something like Shopify. A customer places an order, and a third-party supplier ships the product directly to them. Your job is marketing and customer service, or you could create your own unique brand of physical products. Maybe you design and sell t-shirts, make handmade jewelry, or private label a line of skincare products. Another route is SaaS, where you create a software that solves a specific problem and charge a recurring subscription fee for it. This could be anything from a project management tool to a social media scheduler. This path requires more investment, both in time and potentially money, and you'll need to learn about marketing, customer support, and operations. But you're building a real, sellable asset. It's the digital equivalent of building a traditional brick and mortar business. Now, for a very important part, how to avoid the traps. The internet is filled with people promising you can make thousands of dollars a week with no effort. If it sounds too good to be true, it always is. Be wary of any program that requires a large upfront investment to learn a secret. Real knowledge is widely available. Avoid systems that are vague about what you'll actually be doing. They often focus on recruiting more people into the same system rather than selling a real product or service. Look out for high pressure sales tactics that create a false sense of urgency. They'll tell you the special price is only available for the next hour. Don't fall for it. Legitimate opportunities don't need to pressure you. And finally, never get involved in anything that guarantees returns. The real methods we talked about: freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, digital products, and online business all require skill, effort, and time. There are no shortcuts. They are businesses, not lottery tickets. If you ever feel pressured or unsure, step back and do more research. Look for reviews from independent sources, not just the testimonials on their sales page. So, to recap, freelancing is your fastest path to cash by selling your skills. Content creation is a long term play where you build an audience and monetize it. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by recommending products you trust. Digital products let you scale your income by selling your knowledge, and an online business like e-commerce or SaaS is about building a true digital asset. All of these are real, proven paths to making a living online. They all have one thing in common: they require you to provide genuine value to others. There's no magic button. It's about finding where your skills and passions intersect with what people need and then putting in the work. Choose a path that excites you, start small, learn as you go, and be consistent. That's the real secret. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you, a follow or subscribe would be amazing. See you in the next one.